See the quality of our opposition. I will back the bill to limit the post to PM only as Malay. The criteria is always race. Race saja. Why can't we have an opposition or anybody to back the bill for the PM to be nothing less than competent, nothing less than PM that has no any corruption scandal, to have a PM nothing less than the relevant qualification, credentials or years of experience or portfolios held. Tak ada. We don't go for that. Or PM that has no less than double degree or masters. Tak ada. We don't have this kind of talk or this kind of criteria. No. Limit no more to Malay. So, apa beza dia kalau Malay atau tak Malay? Apa beza dia? A Malay PM will rule in a different fashion that will favour the Malays. Based on what? Kalau favour the Malays based on the provisions of the Constitution and the affirmative policies that's already in place, that's what all PMs got to do kan? Kalau China punya PM ke, Punjabi PM ke, Indian PM ke, Sabah Sarawak PM ke, still got to follow the Constitution kan? So pasal apa you nak Malaynya PM juga? Adakah kalau PM lain dia akan buat benda lain? Then we should not have any PM that will do things outside the parameters of what's allowed by the Constitution because keluhuran perlembagaan. So kenapa nak kena buat this kind of statement? Inflammatory. In response to Lim Kit Siang kata, nothing in the Constitution prevents a non-Muslim from becoming a PM. Tapi Lim Kit Siang rightfully and succinctly put it, because of the demography of kita punya voters, that non-Muslim or non-Malay PM can only be PM with the consent, with the leave of majority of the Malays. Pasal kalau semua China, India and non-Malays want that PM, vote for that PM pun, kalau not a sizable number of Malays is okay with that non-Malay PM, he will never become PM. So that is a fact, and Kit Siang states fact. Cukup lah, lepas tu harass dia, get the police to harass him, report on him. Now this statement betul-betul, benda-benda macam ni lah, make you not endear yourself to Malaysians. Aku Melayu pun aku menyampah tengok benda macam ni. You do this for political mileage. Pathetic lah boy. Bila you nak discuss on issues, hai, tak tahu, sedih lah.
If you have any interesting ideas that can help build a better Malaysia, please put them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. The subscription is free. You don't have to pay money. And we don't, YouTube doesn't give us your information. So there's no list of subscribers. I just know the number of subscribers, but no information about who the subscribers are. And we are not monetized, so there's no advertisements. When you click on our videos, you straight away watch our videos. You don't have to see annoying ads. Anyway, now please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share our videos far and wide. Terima kasih. Wassalam.
If anything in this video resonated with you, be sure to like it, share it with your friends, leave a comment. And as always, don't forget to subscribe.